I'm not fond of this like skunkiness that got going on here. Like this is like throwbacks to like when I was in high school, when it was like popular to do like the chunky highlights. But I do need to give my hair a break because I did just bleach the ever-living shit out of it. Abilene agrees. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is a lot less pink. We still got some pinkness going on. And then we got this, yellow. Not that this is like a bad hair color, because I know this is like yellow blonde, and some people look great with yellow blonde. I, however, do not. But yeah, I bleached my hair. This was like more brown, and I didn't tone it. But I do need to like re-bleach some stuff and like add my darker roots, and you guys don't care. That's not what this video is about. Okay, so over the weekend, let me tell you what I did. Saturday was fun. Excuse me? Mama. What? Mama. What, baby girl? Mama. What, honey babes? Mama. What, baby lady? Mama. She just loves to yell my name. What? Mama will be out in a minute. Can you go play with Memmy? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, go get Memmy. Go get Memmy and Rella. Go play a game with them. Rella? Yeah, Rella too. This is real life, guys, and it's just gonna get crazier because I don't know if you saw my announcement video. I'm currently pregnant with my 5th baby. It's gonna get crazier, and I love it. I do. It's craziness here, yes, but I love it. So Saturday was fun. I spent the morning on Zoom. I attended 4 different Posh and Coffees. It was a lot of fun. This is the 3rd weekend in a row I did it. They are doing more next weekend. I'll have a link down below if you guys want to check it out, if you want to join one of them. But yeah, it was really fun. If you guys don't know, Poshmark does this thing called Posh and Sips. I've actually hosted a couple of them myself. It's basically just a gathering of like local poshers, and you know, you gather. This was like pre-coronavirus, so you know, you would gather like in real life and have fun and meet people like in real life. Now we can't do that. Unfortunately, there are still some assholes that don't abide by that. Like, what are you doing still going to church and having your church? Now they're saying churches are going to be like exempt, or they're trying to be exempt from this. It's like, what the fuck? Like, no, yes, okay, you're religious, that's great. Move that shit online. Like, you shouldn't be exempt from common sense and public health and safety. Like, you shouldn't be exempt from that. Anyway, the Posh and Coffees have been moved online now, so it's like a virtual Posh and Sip. But they're called Posh and Coffees because we have them on Saturday mornings. You know, you're supposed to drink coffee. I personally am not a fan of coffee, and people will be like, Vanessa, how can you have 4 kids and not be a fan of coffee? Like, how do you survive? I'm like, coffee just makes me poop. Like, it's not a good thing. No, thank you. So I survive. Like, literally, this is all I drink is lemon water. That's literally all I drink. So yeah, I was attending a virtual Posh and Coffee, and somebody mentioned, like, I think one of the questions was like, how are you sourcing now? And it was funny because I know people were like hesitant to answer that. A lot of resellers are hesitant to answer that. What did I just say? Hesitant to answer that question. You know, rightfully so, because people don't want to give up, you know, where they're buying shit from. They don't want to give up their sources. I don't give out all of my sources, but I will tell you guys when I find something cool. And I found something cool, and I'm going to tell you guys about it. So there are these things called live thrifts. They're on Facebook. I will link a Facebook group down below. They just have people that do live thrifts on there. So like, somebody will create a post, and then in the comments they'll post pictures of the items that they have for sale, and then people will comment under the pictures like, oh, I claim this. And then, you know, it depends on the buyer, like the prices, but the majority of the ones that I have seen are very reasonably priced. They start at like $1 and go, like, one person's was like $1 to $5. Every item was between $1 and $5. And you don't bid on that. It's just the first person that writes claim in the comments. Now there are some people with some freaking rapid fingers. I'm just like, how did you type out that word? Like, how did you, she literally just posted it a nanosecond ago. How did you already? So yeah, beware with that. You know, train your fingers, or train your copy and paste fingers. Yeah, it's super cool. And I purchased a couple of things from this one person, and I'm gonna attend more. One girl was doing it on Saturday, and it was literally from like noon to 6 o'clock at night. Like, she had like hundreds of things. And yeah, if you're bored, like if you're in quarantine, it's a great thing to do. It really is. But yeah, it's just a cool new thing that maybe it's not new. It's new to me. I'd never like seen people do that before. But yeah, it's a cool way to source for sure. So again, I will link a Facebook group down below. You can just search on Facebook for like live thrift groups. And you know, just kind of go from there. Each group or like each seller probably have their own rules. I know that some people, girl that I bought something from is going to create a listing on Poshmark and then I'm going to buy it that way, which is a score for me because I have so many Poshmark credits. It's going to be 100% profit. So yeah, so it's really up to the seller well, it's between like the seller and you, like how you guys want to do shipping. A lot of people are like, oh, you can do it through PayPal or you can do it through Poshmark. I don't know if you can do it through other platforms, but yeah, this girl is just creating a bundle with all the items, or creating like one listing with all of the items that I purchased, and then I'm just doing it through Poshmark, which is amazing. It's super easy. But yeah, it's just a cool little thing that I found. But yeah, I just randomly came across that and I wanted to share it with you guys because I do get questions from you guys asking like, how are you sourcing now? Like, what are you doing? You can't go out. What are you doing? And that's one of the new things that I'm doing. I just came across that the other day and I was so excited to tell you guys about it. So yeah, hopefully it's helpful to you guys. Again, other ways that I'm sourcing, I'm doing like 95% of my sourcing on Poshmark just because I have so many credits on there, and again, it ends up being 100% profit, so why wouldn't I? But I have also purchased a Goodwill mystery box. I'll link that video down below. That was kind of a me. I also purchased a ThredUp rescue box. I'm still waiting for that to come in the mail. When did I order that actually? Let's check on that because I feel like it's been, I feel like it's been a little while. Let's see. Red Up. I purchased it on April 7th. Okay, so today's the, there's little people outside my door. Today's the 13th? Yeah, today's the 13th. So the 7th was a Tuesday, so it's been a week tomorrow, and I haven't had any movement on it yet. Like, it hasn't shipped or anything yet, so I don't know if that's normal or what. Like, typically when I buy stuff from ThredUp, it usually ships within a couple days, so I don't know if the rescue boxes are different. I don't know. But that's another place to source. I haven't gotten one yet, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. I definitely will do an unboxing video, so you know, if you're curious about that, if you trust my opinion, you can wait for that video. Another thing you could do to source, I've seen a lot of people do this, you know, ask your friends and family if they have any clothing that they want to get rid of. Some of them might just give stuff to you to sell, others might want to cut, but you know, it's going to be 100% profit to you, so you know, if they want to cut, I mean, rightfully so, it's their shit. There probably are people that just want to get rid of shit. And don't really care. So, you know, you can ask your friends and family. I know people have been posting stuff on like Facebook Marketplace saying like, not just to your friends and family, but saying like, hey, people that live in my neighborhood, if anyone wants to get rid of stuff, you know, I'll gladly take it. So there's another thing to do. I haven't done that yet. I know a lot of people talk about the Nextdoor app as well. Like, I know people have had success posting on that app and saying the same thing, like, hey, you know, if anyone wants to donate clothes, I'll gladly take them from you. What else am I doing? Oh yeah, I am working with 2 wholesalers. That is probably going to be like another month or so before I get my stuff in. So again, once that happens, I will let you guys know whether or not I recommend them. But yeah, that's how I'm sourcing. Like I said, mainly on Poshmark, because I just have so many credits, it doesn't make sense for me not to, because again, it's 100% profit. So yeah, that's it for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you check out this new little way to source the live thrifts. It's cool. It's very competitive. I'm a very competitive person, so it was great. I was like, you know, had my fingers ready. I copy and pasted the word claim and I would paste it, you know, as soon as they posted stuff, but there were some people that were quicker than me. I'm like, how the hell did you do that? So again, I will have a link to one of the groups down below if you want to go check it out. But again, just search Live Thrift on Facebook and you should be able to find some groups. I know there's more than one, there's gotta be. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.